Hey Steven, here's the Aurora, the 26 BHS. I'm going to open the compartments now. This is your pass-through storage. It has power C-jacks, your awning, JBL speakers on the outside, more storage, which is really nice. The steps are really nice and sturdy. Going into the bedroom, you have space on both sides of the bed. The living room area, the kitchen area. This is the closet for your stackable washer and dryer. Nice large bunk beds. Nice sized bathroom with a really tall shower. Then your dinette banquette that turns into a bed, as well as the sofa turns into a bed if you need it. And if you want to chill out and relax, the sofa does fold down so you can lay down and watch TV and be nice and comfortable. The floors are really nice and sturdy. They're 5/8 inch plywood. And this is just an overall view of everything.